गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भवतापप्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्तये ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय माँ। Today's question is, what is self-realization? Ma said, self-realization is God realization and God realization is self-realization. So he says, whoever the person is saying, please elaborate. It's very simple. Self-realization. Okay, the meaning is there. To realize the self. Which is that self? Not Nityanand, not Swami, not anything else. Who is that self? That self who is the life force bringing about this small self, what we call I. So I is not the real self. The real self is hidden inside, which gives birth to this I, to this human body, because we are not the body, mind, ego of which this whole existence is created. See, in this life, we may be so-and-so, Nityananda, Swami, or whatever you call it, We may be a mother to somebody, a father to somebody, a sister, a daughter, a son, a husband, some officer, a doctor, engineer, whatever you call it. These are all different roles, right? That we are playing. If our mother dies, then who's going to call us a daughter? That role is gone. If a father dies, who's going to call us a daughter or son? That is gone. So these are all temporary roles that we are playing. We have to find out who we really are. We are not this that we are portraying in this life. This is an illusion, because this life itself is an illusion in which we are playing this particular role in this lifetime. In the next lifetime, we'll be playing a different role and then a different role. Who is watching this entire thing? Who has seen, we were little children, then we became adults, we became teenagers, then adults, then this and that and that and that. Somebody is a witness to all this transition that we are going through. That witness itself is the life force, the energy that has made us exist. So when Ma says, what does he say? God realization is self-realization and self-realization is God realization. Correct? माँ ने बोला था in हिंदी, अपने को पाना भगवान को पाना और भगवान को पाना अपने को पाना, which is so true. Why do so many saints and sages do so much tapasya, so much ध्यान, अनुष्ठान, पूजा पाठ, ये वो पूरी जिंदगी लगा देते हैं to realize that higher self, आत्मन जिसको कहते हैं. हमारा आत्मन जो है वो परमात्मा है. So once we leave this body and go, again we'll take another role. Again we'll take another role. That is not the I. Because we are just made up of body, mind and ego and emotions and everything. We have to drop all that to come back to ourselves. So the moment we realize who we are, who we really are, that self, we come to God. And the moment we realize God, we come to ourselves, because it's not different. I had discussed this earlier, that जीवात्मा है हम लोग. वो जीवात्मा से हमें परमात्मा में जाना है. And once we realize God, we are there. So we are the creator. We are everything. अभी हम पूर्ण नहीं हैं. So वो तपस्या करने के बाद we realize. So when you are saying what is self-realization? It's not the self of this little body. हम इसमें prisoners हैं अभी. ये एक जेल है जिसमें हम बैठे हैं. बट वो द मेन जो सेल्फ है वो देख रहा है सब कुछ. वी हैव टू टैप दैट सेल्फ, दैट आत्मन जो कभी मरता नहीं है, कभी जलता नहीं है, कभी कुछ नहीं. आपने गीता में पढ़ा होगा. यू मस्ट हैव रेड द गीता एंड यू मस्ट बी नोइंग एवरीथिंग. वी आर नॉट, if you are saying, you've asked this question, we are not human beings having a spiritual experience. No. We are spiritual beings going through this phase of a human experience. उल्टा है. हम लोग इंसान नहीं हैं जो स्पिरिचुअल, हमें स्पिरिचुअल एक्सपीरियंस हुआ. हम कहते हैं ना कि हमें स्पिरिचुअल एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, अरे हमको ये हुआ वो हुआ. हम वही हैं, पर हमारे इतने सारे आवरण हो गए हैं ऑफ दिस बॉडी, लिमिटेशंस ऑफ द बॉडी, एंड वी आर encompassed in that. हम उसमें फंस गए हैं. तो थोड़ा सा कुछ होता है जब हम साधना करते हैं और थोड़ा सा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है या ये पता चल जाता, तो हम इतने खुश हो जाते हैं, अरे हमें ये हो गया वो हो गया. अरे वो ही है हम, पर अभी ढक गया है सारा कुछ बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज लिमिटेशंस दैट वी टेकन ऑन. सो हमें वो ढूंढना है. That is self-realization. And once you come to self-realization, once you come to that self, everything you realize is mithya. Everything in this jagat you realize is illusion. And you laugh. And you say, I'm here with this body. And you have to drop the body and come back to your home, which is the home of the Paramatma. And once you merge with Paramatma, are you different? Do you have an identity? No, you don't. Because you yourself become the Paramatma. इसीलिए मां कहती है ना, अपने को पाना भगवान को पाना है. What is that अपना? Not this body, not this name, not this identity. I'm mother, father, sister, brother. These are identities, false identities. क्योंकि वो support system जब चला गया तो खत्म हो गया सब कुछ. फिर nobody will call you mother, father, brother, sister. Nobody will call you that. तो वो तो टेम्पररी है. इसीलिए अपने को पाना भगवान को पाना है, भगवान को पाना अपने को पाना है. वी आर वन. इट्स नॉट सेपरेट. ये नहीं है. इसीलिए तपस्या. एंड ह्यूमन फॉर्म इज द ओनली फॉर्म. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स जो है, हम ये धरती पे आए हैं, only way of coming to nirvana and moksha, because the moment you realize your own self, जो self realization जब हो जाता है तब आप वही हैं. और वो कहाँ होता है? सिर्फ यहाँ इस धरती पे. And that's why they say don't waste a life, don't waste this lifetime by doing so many different things, because you are just now identifying yourself with this physical thing. The life force is within that, which is saying this is that, and seeing your entire transition of the life. हमें वो पाना है. ये शरीर तो चला जाएगा, फिर दूसरा ले लेना, फिर तीसरा, फिर चौथा. How long? So this is the only place where you can get nirvana and moksha if you do a lot of tapasya, lot of sadhana. ईश्वर प्रणिधान होना है, to surrender to God. And the moment you surrender to God, surrender means really surrender, and do your jap tap sadhana and devote your entire life to that. Yes, you come to self-realization, where you know who you really are. You're not this body, mind, emotions, ego. You're made of ego. ये पूरा हमारा जो है वो ईगो ही है. उसी से हम ऑपरेट करते हैं. उसे निकालना है. We have to remove all that. The moment we remove all that, we are there. And then we are self-realized. I hope it's clear. जय मां. ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ये आनंद घनमूर्तये ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय मां, जय मां, जय मां।